Programming your 2011-2013 Nissan Juke key fob is a simple DIY task. It involves synchronizing the fob with your car's immobilizer system. You will need your key fob, new or existing, with the vehicle unlocked, all doors closed, and unnecessary electronics turned off to avoid interference. The process centers around key cycling, where you insert and turn the ignition key multiple times while pressing fob buttons to register the signal. By following the correct sequence, you can avoid costly dealership fees, with universal key fob programmers priced $50 to $200, reducing costs from $100 to $300 at dealerships to under $50 DIY. User forums report success rates above 90% for DIY pairing, and video tutorials on YouTube and TikTok have become popular, featuring updated tools like digital multimeters for troubleshooting signal issues. Make sure to replace the battery if you continue to have issues. Insert the key into the ignition without starting the engine. Cycle the ignition from off to on 5 times within 10 seconds. This enters programming mode, indicated by hazard lights flashing. Within 5 seconds of the 5th cycle, press and hold the lock button on the fob for 1 to 2 seconds. The lights will flash to confirm registration. Repeat the process for additional fobs. Up to 4 can be stored. Turn the ignition off and remove the key to exit programming mode. Test the fob by locking and unlocking doors. If programming fails, check the battery voltage should be 3 volts CR232. Weak batteries cause many issues. A mechanic shared a case where a 2013 Juke's fob programming failed due to a faulty immobilizer. They used an OBD2 scanner to reset the ECU, resolving issues where standard methods fail. If problems continue after troubleshooting, consult a mechanic.